What is your favorite subject at school?
My favorite subject is English because I love learning new words.
Which subject do you find the most difficult?
I find mathematics difficult because it involves a lot of complex formulas.
Why do you enjoy studying history?
I enjoy history because it helps me understand how the world has changed over time.
How do you prepare for your science exams?
I usually review my notes, watch science videos, and practice solving problems.
What do you like most about your English class?
I like the discussions and the chance to improve my speaking and writing skills.
How do you study for your math tests?
I solve many practice problems and revise the formulas every day.
Which subject do you think is the most useful in daily life?
I think English is the most useful because it helps me communicate with people globally.
Why do you think geography is important?
Geography helps us understand the world's places, climates, and cultures.
How do you make your science lessons more interesting?
I do small experiments and watch science documentaries to make them fun.
Which subject helps you think creatively?
Art helps me think creatively and express my ideas through drawings and colors.
What do you find interesting about literature?
I love reading stories that explore human emotions and different cultures.
How do you feel about learning mathematics?
Sometimes it's challenging, but I feel proud when I solve difficult problems.
What kind of projects do you do in your science class?
We often make models of the solar system or simple chemical experiments.
How do you improve your vocabulary in English?
I read books, listen to podcasts, and note down new words every day.
What's the most fun subject for you?
Physical education is the most fun because we get to play games and stay active.
Why do you think learning grammar is important?
Grammar helps us speak and write correctly so others can understand us clearly.
How does your teacher make history interesting?
She tells stories about famous people and shows videos from different time periods.
What do you like about studying geography?
I enjoy learning about new countries, mountains, and oceans around the world.
Which subject do you prefer, physics or chemistry?
I prefer chemistry because I like doing experiments with different substances.
How do you stay focused during math lessons?
I take short notes, ask questions, and practice each problem carefully.
What's your favorite topic in science?
I really like learning about space and the planets.
How do you improve your writing skills in English?
I practice writing essays, short stories, and diary entries regularly.
Which subject do you find the easiest?
I find English the easiest because I understand it naturally.
Why do you like physical education?
It helps me stay fit and teaches teamwork through sports.
How does learning history help you in life?
It teaches me lessons from the past and helps me make better decisions.
What do you find most exciting about art class?
I love using different colors and materials to create something beautiful.
How do you remember facts for your geography exam?
I use maps, flashcards, and short notes to memorize information easily.
Which subject helps you develop logical thinking?
Mathematics helps me think logically and solve problems step by step.
Why do you think English is an important subject?
It connects people from different countries and opens more opportunities.
What do you do when you don't understand a math problem?
I ask my teacher for help or watch tutorials online to understand it better.
How do you prepare for your English speaking tests?
I practice speaking with friends and record myself to check my pronunciation.
Which science topic do you find the hardest?
I find physics hard because it involves too many formulas and calculations.
What's your favorite book you studied in literature class?
I loved The Adventures of Tom Sawyer because it was fun and full of imagination.
How do you enjoy learning new languages?
I enjoy it because it allows me to explore new cultures and meet new people.
What's the best thing about your English teacher?
She makes learning fun with activities, games, and stories.
How do you usually study for your exams?
I make a timetable, review my notes, and test myself with quizzes.
Which subject do you think will help you in your career?
English will help me because I want to work in an international company.
What do you like about your art teacher?
She encourages creativity and always appreciates our unique ideas.
How do you practice grammar effectively?
I do online exercises and try to use the rules while writing or speaking.
Why do you enjoy studying science?
It explains how everything around us works and satisfies my curiosity.
Which subject do you usually get the highest marks in?
I usually get the highest marks in English because I study it the most.
What do you dislike about mathematics?
I don't like solving long problems because they take too much time.
How do you make English learning more enjoyable?
I watch movies with subtitles and talk to people in English daily.
Which school subject do you find boring?
I sometimes find history boring when it's full of dates to memorize.
How do you prepare for presentations in English?
I write short notes, practice speaking aloud, and rehearse in front of a mirror.
What do you love about literature class?
I love analyzing poems and learning about different writers.
Which subject makes you think deeply?
Philosophy makes me think about life, choices, and human behavior.
How do you practice pronunciation in English?
I listen to native speakers and repeat their words until I get them right.
What kind of experiments do you enjoy in science?
I enjoy mixing chemicals and watching reactions happen safely.
How do you study for your history exams?
I make timelines and summaries of important events to remember better.
Which subject do you like discussing with friends?
I like discussing current topics from English and social studies.
What do you find interesting about physics?
I find it fascinating how it explains motion, gravity, and energy.
How do you improve your reading comprehension?
I read short passages daily and answer questions about them.
Why do you enjoy your computer class?
It helps me learn new technology and useful computer skills.
What do you find challenging about learning English?
I find phrasal verbs and pronunciation a bit tricky.
How do you handle difficult subjects?
I stay calm, practice daily, and ask my teachers for help.
What's your favorite chapter in science?
I really enjoy learning about the human body and its systems.
Which subject inspires you the most?
English inspires me because it opens doors to the world.
How do you practice spelling in English?
I write new words several times and use them in sentences.
Why do you find geography fun?
Because I get to learn about different countries and their cultures.
What helps you remember historical dates easily?
I use short stories or rhymes to link the dates with events.
How do you manage time for all subjects?
I make a daily study schedule and focus on one subject at a time.
What's your favorite experiment from school?
I love making a volcano model in science class.
Why do you like learning new words?
They help me express myself more clearly and confidently.